Have you ever felt like there was something going on with one ear and you just couldn't figure out what it was? Maybe your ear felt full, or you heard a little bit of ringing or some reduced hearing. All of that are the symptoms that this patient went through. They came in to see us with a complete impaction of one ear. The other ear looked great. We're going to use the curette to remove this very hard earwax and see if we can't improve their hearing, reduce the fullness, and make them overall feel better, more balanced, one side to the other. I'm Dr. Gary, a clinical audiologist with Advanced Hearing Group. Enjoy the wax removal. You can see we're using the curette to remove this hard earwax, and it is indeed stuck to the ear canal walls. As you're going to see here in a second, I'm going to use the curette to get at the bottom of the earwax, peeling it away from the ear canal floor, and it's going to give us just a little view of that eardrum. And then as we pull it out, see it? There it is. As we pull this earwax out, we're going to notice that the earwax actually falls back in off the roof and covers up the eardrum again. And here that comes out, that nice big chunk. And then we'll take a look back in the ear and see what we've got. Again, that wall of wax is back. So now again, we're going to use the curette once again to get underneath that earwax and pull it up, and then try to break it away from the ear canal ceiling, giving us a good view of the eardrum. Let's see what we get as we pull this out and if there's more behind it. There's the eardrum. And you can see how that kind of all released at the same time. So it's going to be pulled out. And as we look back in, we can now see the eardrum. It's actually a pretty good view there. When I looked back at this video, I noticed I messed up. I missed some at the base of the eardrum. Normally, I would go in and get that out either with the curette or possibly some irrigation. Sometimes, even those of us who do this for a living, we miss bits. I'll try to point it out whenever it happens. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.